'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave.
Welcome to this channel. This time we will discuss about 2024 Lamborghini Huracan. Lamborghini's CEO, Stefan Winkelmann, has announced that the beloved Lamborghini Huracan will be succeeded by a new model at the end of 2024, which will feature a plug-in hybrid drivetrain. This move may mark the end of Lamborghini's production of vehicles without electric assistance. In 2021, Winkelmann had announced that the entire Lamborghini lineup would be hybridized by 2024, and the upcoming replacement for the flagship Aventador will also feature a 1,001 horsepower plug-in hybrid drivetrain. Although the name of the new Huracan replacement has not yet been revealed, Lamborghini has confirmed that it will be powered by a 6.5-liter V12 and 3 electric motors supplied with electricity by a lithium-ion battery that runs down the middle of the car. The V12 will remain naturally aspirated and has been heavily reworked, making it more powerful than the current version that powers the Aventador. The car will be unveiled soon and may provide insights into Lamborghini's plans for electrifying its lineup, in response to possible bans on internal combustion engines in Europe and California in 2035. It remains to be seen if Lamborghini will release any more special edition models of the Huracan. However, fans of the V10 will undoubtedly celebrate the car's legacy if given the opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel if this video is useful. See you in our other videos.